all the town. Wind goes whoosh, cold and strong. Snowstorm comes, it won't last long. Wear your hat and mittens tight. Boots and coat, hold on just right. Stay warm, stay safe, have some fun. Snowstorm time for everyone. Time for everyone.
Sometimes in winter, something magical happens. It's called a snowstorm.
A snowstorm is when lots of snow falls and the wind blows it everywhere.
The world turns white, cold, and sparkly, but it can be hard to see.
That's why we stay warm and safe inside.
After the snowstorm, it's time for snowy fun.